Hi, I'm Tamir from TadiBrothers, and in this video I will show you how to pair a digital camera to a multi-camera monitor. This comes in handy if you have a fifth wheel or some kind of multi-camera situation where you want, for example, a license camera in the back of the truck and an RV camera in the back of the trailer. This also applies to any of our monitors that work in this series, and I'm going to show you how you can tell what series it is. When you turn it on, you're going to see some fonts. The fonts you see here will look like that in any monitor that will work with this type of pairing process. One other tip I can give you guys, before you install anything, always bench test it. You want to see how it works, and if you pair it before you install it, you're not going to have to run back and forth between the front and back of the vehicle to get it to work. So let's get started here. The first thing you want to do is make sure everything is connected to 12 volts. Then we want to go to the monitor and start the pairing process. I'm already on channel 1. You get to the channel by clicking the CH, but to enter pairing mode, we're going to hold the pairing button down for a couple of seconds until we see the countdown. So here I'm going to hold it. Second here, here's the pairing mode. Now we're going to go to the camera right here, and I'm going to hold down this button for a few seconds, and I'm going to see the lights start blinking. Once the pairing mode starts, the countdown might end because then they're locking into each other. It takes a couple of seconds, and then you see the first camera right there. Now to connect the second camera, we're just going to click on the CH button. We enter channel number 2 because it went black, right? And let's hold down the pairing button again until we see that countdown. Hold it down. Right there, here's the pairing mode. Now this time I'm doing a license camera, which is similar also to our slip-on camera, so it'll be the same process. And I'm going to hold down this button for a few seconds until I see the blinking lights. So the camera and the monitor start talking to each other. There you go, that's the blinking. Save the data, and there you go. If you want to pair a third camera, you just click on the CH button again. That'll put you in the third channel, and again, and then one more time will get us to channel number 1, which will show you the RV camera right here. This is a very, very easy process. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. Our number is 866-966-5550. From all of us here at TadiBrothers, thank you for watching and have a great day.